on BCB 106.6 FM.
Yeah, it's 10 past 4. You're listening to Drive with Peg Alexander.
And Richard Horsman. And two pharmacy tutors from Bradford College have been honoured by a prestigious professional body. Shelley Mannion and Gail Hall have both been made Fellows of the Association of Pharmacy Technicians. And I'm delighted to say that Gail's able to join us on the phone now. So good afternoon, Gail.
Good afternoon.
So tell me something then about the award that you've got. How did you get nominated for this, and what does it mean?
Well, we were, both Shelley and I were both nominated by two members of the Association of Pharmacy Technicians. So you have to be nominated by one person, and that has to be seconded by another member. And we were awarded our fellowships of the Association of Pharmacy Technicians UK at their annual conference, which was on the 17th of June. Now, unfortunately, I was unable to be there because I was on holiday, but I knew that I had been nominated, but I didn't know that I had been shortlisted, and I didn't know that I had won, and consequently I watched it all come out live on Twitter.
So what does the fellowship mean? What does it mean to you in your professional practice and as a tutor?
Okay, well, the fellowship is the highest recognition that you can get for membership of the Association of Pharmacy Technicians, and you're awarded it through meeting a series of criteria of things that you've done to promote pharmacy technicians, the profession and education of pharmacy technicians. So myself and Shelley work at Bradford College. Shelley works in the vocational science department and runs a clinical diploma for qualified pharmacy technicians. And I set up the vocational science department when I first started working at Bradford College in 2005, and I did that for a 10-year period, and now I've moved into a wider college role, so I was recognised for the work that I did on setting up those pharmacy courses. So tell me something about pharmacy at Bradford College. If I go into my local pharmacy and there's someone behind the counter who's serving me a prescription or whatever, chances are they could have been trained by you. Chances are quite high that they will have been trained by Bradford College, yes. So Bradford College offer a variety of level of courses for pharmacy. They offer the Pharmacy Dispensing Assistance course, which is an MVQ Level 2 and a BTEC Level 2. And that's an intermediate apprenticeship. So it's an apprenticeship where people are in employment and then they undertake that course. That particular course is delivered online with Bradford College tutors coming into their workplace. We also offer the pharmacy technician training, which is what myself and Shelley are. We're registered pharmacy technicians. And that is offered on day release, that you can come into Bradford College 1 day a week, and the rest of the time you're working in a pharmacy, be that in community, like the one you've just mentioned, or in hospital. So what kind of person makes a really good pharmacy technician? What kind of candidate are you looking for on the course? Well, we're looking for somebody who is obviously interested in the caring profession, so they have to have care at the forefront of the things that they would like to do with their career, so that they care about people and they're able to communicate quite well as well, because obviously you have to tell patients about how to take medications, and sometimes you have to tell them that at some of the darkest hours of their life, you know, when you're trying to explain to them how to take medication and they've just had a diagnosis. So we would look for things like that. For the pharmacy technician, we're also looking for a basic level of maths and English at a GCSE level 4, and we'd also would be looking for them to have the ability to work in a pharmacy 4 days a week as well as come to college. And there's quite a variety of skills then. There's people skills alongside technical skills, alongside mathematical skills, it sounds like. Yes, there is, yes. Working out all those doses for patients and then being able to communicate that to them as well. Yes, it's a skilled profession. And it could be literally kind of life or death for some people to actually give them the right treatment at the right time. Of course it could, yes. I mean, a pharmacy technician works with a pharmacist who will look at the prescription from a clinical point of view to make sure that it's the right medication for that particular patient. But a pharmacy technician will also, assess the patient through looking at their body language or the way that they're answering some questions, know when to refer them to the pharmacist or refer them back to the GP or signpost them to other services that they may need. So, yes, it's a lot of skill. So what are you and Shelley doing to celebrate them? Well, Shelley was at the conference and I hear that she celebrated very well herself. So she's probably still recovering from that. And I'm going to get my certificate on the 21st of July in London, and after that Shelley and I are going to try to get together to have some photographs taken with our joint certificate. So if anyone's ever overdone it on a celebration, as a qualified and award-winning pharmacy technician, what would you say is the best hangover cure? Not to drink in the first place would be the best hangover cure, but...
That's the best answer probably as well.
Yes.
Gail, thanks ever so much for talking to us this afternoon.
Thank you very much.
That's Gail Hall from Bradford College, who's just been awarded the fellowship, along with her colleague Shelley, of the Association of Pharmacy Technicians.
Yeah.